Namaskara students. So now we will be learning about addition and subtraction word problems. So let us first understand first question, how to do it, and we will give you the classwork. Okay. So first, what is the question? Read it carefully. Always you should read first question carefully and understand. Then only you should solve. Otherwise you will make mistakes. Okay. So the question is, Keith wants 180 cupcakes for his party. Keith has already 48 berry cupcakes and 72 fudge cupcakes. How many more cupcakes does Keith need to make? Right? So here total how many requirements are there? 180 requirement is there. But already there are 48 are there and 72 are also there. So that is in different berry cakes and fudge cake. That is different. But cupcakes are available. So they have not mentioned. So cupcakes. So available are how many? So available, that is 48 plus 72. Available are how much? If you add them both, it will be 120 cupcakes are available. Now required, total required are 180. So how many more? More needed. How many more needed? So we have to minus from 180. So 180 minus 120. If you minus, it will be how much? More needed is 60 more are needed. So it is 2 step. How many steps are there? 2 steps are there. So that will be how many needed here? 60 more needed here. So available, that is the berry cakes 48 and 72 fudge cake. If you add them, it will be 120. So available. Then more, total are 180. If you minus from 180, that is 120 available. More needed are 60 more. Understood how to do this? Very easy, simple. You just have to understand and do it. Okay na? Got it? So one more question I will solve, students. That is second question I will solve. So what is the second question here? Before getting to school, Jashan had a few errands to run. Jashan had to walk 6 blocks to the store and 12 blocks to the gallery. Before walking the final 5 blocks to arrive at school, if Jashan had already walked 11 blocks, how many more blocks must he walk before arriving at the school? So that is the question. So let's understand one by one. Okay. So before getting to school, Jashan has a 5 errands to run. So Jashan had to walk 6 blocks to the store. So 6 blocks he ran. And 12 blocks to gallery. So total how much he walk? Let us see walk. How much he walk? So 6 block here, 6 block, and then after that 12 blocks here, 12 block, you add it, 12 block, and then before walking the final 5 blocks to arrive at the school. So how many blocks he walked? 5 blocks. If Jashan has already walked 11 blocks. So here it is how much? 5 blocks. So total how much he has to walk? So that is 6 block here, 12 block here, and 5 block here. Okay. Understood? Yes. So that is the walking he has to do. Okay. So the how much he has done? So total is this 6 block blue color. So 6 block, 12 block, 5 block. So total will be 18 plus 5, 23 blocks he has already completed. So he has to walk 23 blocks. He has to walk. Okay na? So in that, how much he has completed? Already walked. Already walked is how much? Tell me. That is 11. In that 23, already walked is how much? 11 blocks is walked. Okay. So remaining will be how much? So in that remaining, so 23 he has to do. So in that 11 he has completed. Remaining will be how much? 12 blocks. Yes, if you minus 11, so it will be 12 blocks he has to cover more. Understood? So we have to understand one by one and do it. If any help needed, we will help you and explain. Okay, don't worry about it. One by one we will help you. Okay, yes, yes, we will explain. See here, listen, silence. We will explain. Okay, now we will help you. Clear with first and second question? Understood? Okay, yes, okay, good. So students, first question and second question once again I will explain. So it is little bit what confusing, but it is easy. So you have to understand what you have to do. You have to understand and do it. Okay now? Yes. So if you go first question I am solving here, this one. So Kate wants 180. Wants means required. You want 100 rupees. Like you want 100 rupees. You want 100 rupees. You have 10 rupees. You have 20 rupees. Your father gave 10 rupees. Mother gave 20 rupees. Total how much you have now? 10 plus 20. 30 rupees you have. You have 30 rupees. But you want how much? 100 rupees you want. So how much more you want? Yes? How much more? 70 rupees more? 70 rupees more is required. More is how much? 70 rupees. Right? Yes, 70 rupees is more. So like that, they want how much cupcakes? Yes, join again. Okay na? So 70 rupees is more required. Isn't it like that? Here, how many cupcakes are required? Yes? 180 cupcakes are required. Isn't it? Join again. What is that? Bhavit. Right? So how many times should I tell? Huh? Your problem. That is a network problem with you. Understand, Bhavit? Join again. Okay? Yes. So understood. Like that. Want means minus we have to do. Right? So what you have to do? You have to do minus here. Okay na? Yes. So here once again I am telling. So available cupcakes. How many are available? 48 and 72 cupcakes. So which are already made. Right? So made is how much? If you want, I wrote available before. If you are getting confused, they have written made. How much made are there? How many made? That is 48 plus 72. So total will be 120 are made. Now total want is how much? 180. In that, so required. How many will be required now? 180 are required. In that 120 are made. Total how many will be required more? 60 more cupcakes. Understood everyone? Yes? Got it? It's clear now? Now next, that is fine, listen here. So next, what is the next question? That is second one. Before going to school, Jashan has a few errands to run. Jashan walks 6 blocks to the store, 12 blocks to gallery, and final 5 blocks to arrive to school. So he has two total. Like he is going from to school. Where he is going? He is going to school. So his home is here. His home and his school is like this. So first he has to walk to store. So first he has to walk to store. Yes. And then after that 6 steps he has to walk to store. And then 12 blocks to gallery. So after that 12 blocks to gallery. G. I have written. So 5 blocks to what? 5 blocks to school. After that 5 blocks to school. So he will complete total. So total how many blocks he has to write? He has to go. So total, yes, 23. So total, so walk is how much? Total walk is how much? That is 6 plus, so first 6 here and after that 12. And then after that how much? That is 5. So 5. Total how much? 23 he has to complete. Isn't it? Yes, he has to complete total 23. Then he has already completed how much? Already completed how much? 11, huh? 11. Already completed. Already, I am writing already only. So already completed how much? 11. Already 11 is complete. So how much more he has to do? How much more? Yes, how much more? 23 minus 11. It will be 12. Understood? How much more he has to do? 12 more he has to do. Understood now? Clear? Okay, good. So now students, let's go for the third question. Right? So what is the third question here? Listen and read first. John made 3 different stacks of wooden blocks. First stack was 8 blocks high. Second was 1 block higher than the first. Right? So second was what? Higher than the first. So first was 8 blocks. Right? Second block is 1 block higher than the first. Means 1 plus 8. It would be how much? 9 blocks. It would be 9 blocks. Right? Isn't it? So 1 block higher than the first means it would be 1 plus 8. That would be 9 block. And the final stack was 8 blocks higher than the second. 8 blocks higher than the second. So I will write first all the things here. So here first block. So first block is how much? 8 blocks. Second block. Second block is higher than the first. So 8 plus 1. It will be 9. And third block. Third block is how much? Yes. So third block is 8 block, that is higher than the second. 8 blocks higher than the second. Second one is 9. 9 plus 8 would be 17. So now John has, how many blocks did John use in all the 3? So total how many he used? Total how many he used? In the first 8 are there, in the second 9 are there, in the third 17. Total add it. 8 plus 9 plus 17. It would be how much if you add all? Yes, you just have to add all the numbers. So you will get all the 3. Right? 17 plus 17, 34 will be the answer. Everyone got 34? Understood? So now students, let's go for the fourth question. Okay? So what is the fourth question here? Sarah likes to collect coins. Sarah got 23 coins from her brother, 18 coins from her mother, as well as 24 coins from Peter. However, Sarah lost 21 coins before putting those coins into her piggy bank. How many coins does Sarah have her in piggy bank? So total, you find the total. Right? So Sarah got 23 coins from her brother. Brother, B I am writing. Brother is 23 and then 18 coins from her mother. Mother, she got 18 coins and then 24 coins from Peter. Peter P, 24 coins. Total how many coins she got? So total she got 23 plus 18 plus 24. If you add, it will be how much? That is 48 plus 17. 48 plus 17 will be how much? That is 65. So 65 coins she got. Yes. So that will be 65 coins total if you add it. Okay now. Now 65 she had. She lost how many? 21 coins she lost. Lost how many? 21 coins. So lost is 21 coins. So remaining will be how much now? That is 65 minus 21. So that will be remaining. Right? So 65 minus 21. What answer will come? That is, it will be 34. Answer will be how much? that is 44 will be remaining. Understood? Yes, it's clear, very easy, isn't it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 44. Everyone got the same answer?
Sir, it's
So students, now let us go to the fifth question. So what is the fifth question? For lunch, Sarah bought 19 glasses of water, 24 salmon sandwich, as well as 28 sherbet. So in total, how many menu items did Sarah purchase for lunch? It is very simple, direct. So all the total items. So 19 glasses of water. Water is how much? 19. 24 salmon sandwich. Sandwich is how much? 24. And then 28 sherbet. So I will write SH, sherbet. That is 28. So total items. So all the items. How many total? Total will be, that is 19 plus 24 plus 28. If you add, you will get the answer. So here 56 plus 15. 56 plus 15 will be 71. 71 will be the answer. Everyone got the same? Yes? Tell me. Everyone got 71? Yes, correct, right? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. So I will explaining. Okay, I will explain once again, however. Okay, now. So here, for the students. Yes, so one by one I am coming. Okay. So see here, if any doubt you tell me. Okay. So fourth answer is 44. Fourth answer is 44. Okay. So now students, let us solve sixth question. So what is the sixth question here? John had 251 iron, that is lion stickers, and John gave 71 stickers to Mary. Gave means minus. 48 stickers to his sister and additional 69 stickers to Sally. So how many stickers does John still have? So now remaining, have means remaining, he will be there. So remaining will be how much? In how much? He had first 251 stickers. In that he gave how much? Let us calculate. That is, first let us total. He has how much? Have how much? Had 251. So gave, total how many he gave? He gave 77 to Mary. 77 first, and then after that 48 to his sister. 48 to his sister. So that is 77 and 48 also. And then 69 to Sally. 69 to Sally. Add all. So how many he will give? You will get it. So 77 plus 48. It will be how much? Tell me. That is here 110 plus 15. 125. He gave 125 plus 69. 125 plus 69. So it will be 70. So 124 plus 70. It will be 194. So he gave how much total? 194 he gave. In how much? 251. So remaining will be how much now? Remaining will be, that is 251 minus 194. So if you minus it, you will get the answer. So here it will be remaining with, that is 6 here, 51. So 57 he will be remaining with. Understood? That is the answer for that. 57 remaining. Okay, now I will solve 7th question also. Okay. So see here. Okay, 7th question. What is it? Nancy wants how many? Nancy wants several different color pastes for her birthday. Nancy wants to get 132 what? Cyan plates. Okay. Cyan plates, 84 orange plates, and some amount of silver plates. In total, Nancy wants 360 plates. So how many plates should she get? Silver plates. Okay. So listen here. So total Nancy wants how many color plates? Total she wants 360. So total she wants how many? That is 360. Okay now. So total she wants 360. In that, which are the different 132 plates are there? Nancy wants 132 cyan. So cyan is how much? That is color. How many are there color now? That is 132 plus that is 84 are already there, isn't it? Are already there. So total will be how much here? 132 plus 84. That is, if you add, it will be 130 plus 80 is 210 plus 216 are already there. So required silver will be, so silver required will be how much? That is 360 minus 216. That is cyan available, that is the 132, 84 oranges are there. If you add them both, you will get 216 are there. Required total, if you minus from the total, you will get required. So it will be how much? Yes, 360 minus 216. So 100 and how much? That is 44. 144 will be required silver. Is it correct? Everyone got the same answer? Tell me. Yes? Everyone got the same? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. 144 required. Okay, now should we go to the next, that is 8th question? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will explain 8th now. Okay, now? Okay, good. So 8th question here. For football season, John decided to buy 32 balls, 23 pairs of shorts as well as 22 pairs of football shoes. In total, how many objects? Direct, odd, all. Right? So here, total objects, that is total is how much? That is 32 balls, 23 pairs of shorts and 22 pairs of football shoes. So 32 plus 23 plus 22. It will be how much? Tell me. 46 plus 31. 46 plus 31 will be how much? 77. Right? So 77 is the answer. Everyone got the 77 only? Yes? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
It's correct.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now should we go to the 8th? Okay, I will explain. Okay now? Yes. So 8th question, listen here. Okay. 8th one, that is 8th one is already done. 9th one. Nancy wanted to save money to buy a new outfit. Nancy deposited 34 times for saving in June, 33 times in July and 20 times in August. How many times did Nancy make saving deposits altogether? All time. Total, direct, total times. How many times total? That is 34 times here and then 33 times in July and then 20 times in August. 20 times. Add all. So what answer will come? 33. 33 plus 33 is 66. So 66 plus 21. That will be 87 times. How many times? That will be 87. Everyone got the same answer, 87?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
correct
sir.
now? Yes, correct. Now, should we go to the 10th now? Yes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will solve the 10th question now. Okay now? Okay. So listen here. Okay. So 10th question. So at an amusement park, Peter wants to ride a roller coaster that costs 34 tickets. How many tickets? 34 tickets. A bumper car that costs 23 tickets. Okay. And a merry-go-round that costs 24 tickets. Peter had 28 tickets but lost 6 of them on the ride. How many more tickets does he need? Add. So let us find total how many he require. So 34 tickets and 23 tickets and 24 tickets. Required total is how much? That is 34 plus 23 plus 24. So total how many he needed, require, that is all this. So add it. That is here 48 plus 33. 48 plus 33 will be 81. Right? This will be 81. Okay, now 81, in that he lost 6. So lost is how much? 6. So that is it lost. So now remaining is how much? Remaining is, that is 81 minus 6. It will be 75. Now needed, does need. So needed, how many needed now? Peter had 28 tickets. Okay. So see here, wait. So listen, once again I will do. So here we will not go that. So have, so it is 81. Had how much? That is 28. Now lost is how much? In that lost is 6. So how much he has now? Has. How much he has now? That is 28 minus 6. It will be 20. That is 2 will be having. So how many more will be required now? So need, how many more will be needed now? So need is how much? That is 81 minus 22. So 81 minus 22. What answer will come? That is 61 minus 2 is 59. So he will need 59 more tickets. Understood? So everyone got 59 only? Tell me. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So this is how we have to do. Understood? Will everyone be able to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will send one question, one worksheet as a homework. You have to do it. Will everyone do it?
Yes, sir.
That will be homework, and prepare for tomorrow's test. For tomorrow's test, what are coming? That is first, that is board mass. Next is equality, and next is word problem. Addition and subtraction, word problem. These three things will come.
What is equality?
Yes, equality we have taught you. That is already uploaded. That will be sent in the group. Okay, now.
So is it equations?
Yes, equation, equality. Yes, equations, equality, both same. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. I will explain the doubts. Okay, so one by one, don't worry. Okay, now.
Sir.